Hello, my name is Kyle Johnston with Girard Products. Today we're going to show you the proper installation of the door flange assembly onto the case of the water heater, the Girard Products water heater. The first thing I'd like to point out is we have three particular size door and flange assemblies. You'll need to order the proper door or flange assembly for your particular installation. We'll be working with this flange today. And there's a few important things. This is a very important step in the installation. It needs to be installed right to prevent any possibility of carbon monoxide or water intrusion into the living quarters of the RV. The first step of the installation is to apply butyl tape around the entire perimeter of the door flange, as well as down the side here. As you'll see in the cutout, we have applied a 2x2 into the cutout, which will be secured onto the water heater door flange. The next step in installation is to apply a good amount of silicone into the corners. Now that we've properly prepped the flange with silicone and butyl tape, we install the flange into the case of the water heater, pushing it tightly, seating the silicone and butyl tape into the case. The next step is to allow or to insert the rivets, stainless 1/8 inch diameter, into the pre-drilled holes of the case and water heater flange. The next step is to rivet it on in. I've completed the rivets on all sides of the water heater. You'll see there are 2 rivets on each side. The next step in the installation is to apply silicone, a nice healthy bead, directly into the corner of the water heater flange, between the flange and the case. Just like so. In the next step of installation of the water heater, we need to prep the cutout. You'll find that in particular installations, you'll find the water heater case smaller than the cutout. The water heater needs to be installed in the bottom right of the cutout. You'll then need to frame the water heater with 2x2s to provide proper support for the installation. The next step is we will install the water heater partially into the cutout and make our gas line connections, water line connections, and electrical connections. We have just installed the gas line, water lines, and the electrical connections onto the water heater. We have gone through the water line connections through the case and the gas line connection case and sealed them with silicone to prevent any carbon monoxide intrusion from entering the living quarters of the RV. At that point in time, we have also checked the water line connections and the gas line connections to ensure there is no leakage. At this point in time, we need to install the water heater into the sidewall of the RV. Basically, give it a good push in so that butyl takes onto the sidewall, we then want to secure screws into the sidewall, and what we're looking for is the butyl to actually ooze up from the flange. Now that we've secured the water heater flange to the sidewall, we have completed the installation by removing any excess putty or silicone around the flange, and that completes the installation of the water heater. This is the completion of our demonstration today. Thank you for watching, and enjoy endless hot water. If you have any questions, please give one of our helpful technicians a call. Thank you.